これでいいですか？
カカズくん、まだ高校生なのになんでハレンチな。今からそういう趣味だと大人になって困るわよ。
Number 10, Cat Planet Cuties 2012 Season 1 Episode 12 W's. The genre is comedy, ichi, harem, romance, science fiction. The story centers around Kyo Kakuza, a high school freshman living in Okinawa. During a memorial service for one of his family ancestors, a mysterious girl with cat ears appears before him, introducing herself as Arish and claiming that she is an alien. However, she is way more troubling than he first realizes. Number 9, Yoshibyo 2014 Season 1 Episode 12 Davno. The genre is comedy, harem, ichi, fantasy, romance. Yoshibyo's story revolves around Raul, a boy who did not become a hero since the Demon Lord was already defeated just before his hero exam. His dream dashed. Raul spent his days working at a magic shop in the capital. One day, a part-time job seeker appears at the shop with an amazing resume named Fino Previous Occupation Demon Lord. Here motive, because my father was defeated. The work comedy revolves around this former hero in training and the daughter of the Demon Lord. Number 8, My Little Sister is Among Them 2012 Season 1 Episode 13 Dove Yes. The genre is comedy, ichi, harem, romance, school, Shannon. Abiding by his father will, Shogo was transferred into an academy where many young girls attend. It appears as though his younger sister, separated from him at the birth, also attend this academy. She is trying to get closer to him without letting him know who she actually is. Problem is, Shogo seems to be popular with other girls as well. Can Shogo properly reunite with his little sister while getting a girlfriend at the same time? Number 7, Abitan 2012 Season 1 Episode 10 Davno. The genre is harem, comedy, ichi, parody, school, shonen. Well beside a recipe for disaster. If borderline delusion Todayama Kayoko is in what passes for charge, you get the astronomical club, where mayhem rules and the wall between the real world and the total fantasy shatters at least once every 5 minutes. And as if things were not wild enough, let's throw in a boys love manga Fantastic, who always seems to be end up in her underwear, a maid on a secret mission, and ruthless arch-enemy whose goal is to have the club disband, and a cat as the factuality advisor, and their Ituski, who still incapably thinks this is club for astronomy. Although to be fair, some of the members do seem to be robots, aliens, and from the outer space. One thing for certain though, the student council will most definitely not approve of what happens when the insane O-meter, red lines and freaky fangirls run wild in Abitan. Number 6, The Hill Died Rose Matter 2008 Season 1 Episode 12 Davno. The genre is comedy, harem, romance, school. In order to protect the girl Yuhi Katagiri, a new transfer student, from danger, Junichi Nagase is forced to kiss her. Not understanding what happens, she screams at him, not knowing that her father has arranged for her to marry him. Number 5, S20 Footprint in the Sand 2008 Season 1 Episode 12 Davno. The genre is harem, romance, school. Takuma Hiroshi, a blind young male high school student, through the case of his blindness, is undetermined. After his mother died an unexpected death, it left a deep emotional scar on him, which caused him to become very lonely and reserved. Due to this, Takuma moved from the city into a rural area, and Takuma is enrolled into new high school. At his new school, he meets several new girls, though 3 of whom he gets to know the most out of anyone else. They are the firm and the obstinate Hayami Kohinata, the kind and obliging Hinata Kagura, and the cheerful and mysterious Otaha. As Takuma interacts with these girls, his medical condition gradually begins to heal. Number 4, Kanagi 2008 Season 1 Episode 14 Dub No. The genre is comedy, harem, school, supernatural. Mikuriya Jin decided to use a piece of sacred tree to carve a statue for his middle school project. And while moving it outside, the statue happens to touch the ground, transforming into a cute girl. Her name is Nagi, a Shinoto spirit, the guardian of the village, and she is really annoyed that her sacred tree was cut down. Having no place to live, Nagi is forced to move in with Jin and tries to accept her new existence by venting her anger against Bug and squeezing them. By cleaning the impurities, Nagi has a rival in a little sister guardian deity who lives in a shrine located on the other side of the river. Well, Jangi-chan has woken up too and decided to become the top teen idol of the village, much to Nagi's dismay. Number 3, Blood Giant Angel Dokura-chan 2007 Season 1 Episode 8 Dub No. The genre is comedy, ichi, harem, magic. In the future, a man named Sakura is destined to create the technology for eternal life, which freezes all women aging once they turn 12. God refuses to allow this, so he sends his angel to the past to kill Sakura before he can do this. But one angel, Dokura-chan, decides to try to change the future without killing him. Problem is, Dokura is very temperamental and is constantly killing Sakura and lots of other people too, in incredibly bloody ways with her giant sky club. Good things she can also bring people back to life, if only to gruesomely kill them again the next time she loses her temper. Number 2, Futakoi 2005 Season 2 Episode 26 Dub No. The genre is comedy, harem, drama, romance, shonen. With his mother, dad, and his father working abroad, Futami Nozomu returns to the town where he lived as a child to attend high school and work part-time at a local shrine. He soon finds himself catch up in a local legend of twin girls loving the same man, and there are many twin girls in this town. Number 1, Asura Crime 2009 Season 2 Episode 26 Dub No. The genre is harem, action, mecha, supernatural. Tomo was a school kid with just one problem. He had a ghost friend for a while. One day his life is turned upside down as his world changes into a new one which he could not imagine before. I hope friends all of you enjoy this video, and if you really enjoy this video, please show your love by likes and comment. And if you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. It's also motivate me to keep uploading new videos and running this channel. Thank you so much friend.